Hi viewers, today we're looking at the ORD function, which returns a code for a multi-byte character or returns a ASCII code for a character that's not multi-byte. So it basically takes the leftmost character in a string and converts it to a code or an ASCII value, ASCII. So first we're going to enter select and then control space and find the ORD function. Then within that we're going to enter tester, apostrophes and semicolon back to terminator at the end, and we're going to run that. As you can see, it's given a value of 84 for the leftmost character within the value of tester. That's the ORD function within MySQL Workbench.